The amount of times that I literally spend having to change my password. Okay, so this one, password is weak. So is my memory, so just allow it. We are sporting a super casual look today. No makeup, a Ravenclaw shirt that I was wearing this morning as I was polishing my front door, and my Nike hat. I think this is twice that I've worn it this week of videos now. I definitely strive to be my most put together for these videos, especially my Dollar Tree hauls, because they get the most views, so it's like all the eyes. But today, I searched for the ability to care about this, and I didn't find it. I know you guys don't really care, and you're really sweet about it all the time, especially since I tend to like mention, I guess, these insecurities before I film, and you're always super accepting of however I look. So thank you so much for that. But yeah, this is just what's going on today. So I'm not going to talk about it anymore. This Dollar Tree haul, honestly, I don't even know how much I'm going to show because I should have like sorted through this. It's pretty huge. Dollar Tree has been doing this thing lately where they have been putting out a lot of new products. So you definitely have to be on the lookout, especially right now in the month of May. It's just the turnout is insane. The other haul, I don't remember which one it was in my thumbnail. LA Totally Awesome, which is a cleaning product that you find at Dollar Tree, put out an item like a daily shower cleaner that looked like an exact dupe to the Method cleaning products that you find at like Target. So anyways, I digress. I'll link that video down below. The point is, I went to this other Dollar Tree store and found another new entire line of the LA's Totally Awesome cleaning products that I've never seen come through Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and jump in. And the first one is this right here. So this is, again, LA's Totally Awesome. It is a cleaner with bleach here, and it says that it's a soap scum, grease, and works on tough stains. Cleans and deodorizes. The packaging is actually really nice. And I also found the refill version of it, and it is actually labeled as a refill right here. So how amazing is that? Cleaner with bleach. Fabuloso is another one that I love to pick up at Dollar Tree too. This is Passion of Fruits. I'm not entirely sure if I've ever hauled Passion of Fruits. I know I've hauled something with green. It might have been like a green apple, I think. So this one might be new. I'm just going to open this to smell it. I know you guys can't smell it. Wow, that smells really nice. And it does smell like Passion of Fruits, whatever that's supposed to be. What I love to do with Fabuloso is I love to pour this in the toilet after I've cleaned it, let it sit for a little bit, and it kind of clears out any of like the cleaning chemicals I use to clean the bathroom. You know, the countertops, the toilet itself. This is like my last step to just deodorize and refreshen the air in the bathroom. The next item that's brand new is the grill and oven cleaner, which that is an interesting combination. I don't know if there are products out there like that where they combine both grill and oven together, but LA's Totally Awesome did. They're both the same size. Yeah, these labels just look new to me. I feel like it's definitely, I've never seen it before. So there's that. The next product, I don't know for sure, but I feel like Vanessa might have mentioned this brand in a video that I saw a few months ago. But I can't say for sure, and it's this brand right here. I don't even know if I can say it right. Penolin? I don't know. I'm probably not saying that right. And maybe she didn't even mention this product, but I feel like when I looked at this label, it looked familiar, like I had seen it in some type of cleaning video. You know what? Maybe it was that YouTuber I watched, the Gypsy. I forget what her channel name is. I'll link it down below, but maybe that's where I saw this. And she does this thing where she like cleans her microfiber couches and everything, and I think she used a product like this. It's a multi-purpose cleaner, has scent boost technology, and it's a floral boom. I can't talk today, I'm sorry. Floral bloom scent. Wow, that is very floral. And I'm not a fan of floral, but that smells pretty nice. So I've never seen this product at Dollar Tree either. So that's the first time. And then we've got LA's Totally Awesome again. You can see just like, I don't know, if you watch all my videos, then you probably tell that these are brand new. I found it in the lavender scent and then the floral scent as well. And these are labeled as floor cleaners. Clean ceramic and no wax floors. So, and these bottles are just humongous. Like, this is super exciting. So definitely watch out for LA's Totally Awesome. And then this one as well, which is Pine Glow. This is not LA's Totally Awesome. Yeah. It's an antibacterial kitchen and bathroom cleaner, disinfectant. But what caught my attention was that it's labeled as an ocean scent. And that's really interesting for cleaning products. Wouldn't you say? Okay, so for me, I definitely get the Pine Sol scent. So if Pine Glow is a dupe to Pine Sol, this smells exactly like Pine Sol to me, like 1-to-1. I don't know that I'm getting ocean because the Pine Sol is such a strong scent. I don't know. I'm gonna have to like use this on my floors and see, you know, if that ocean scent picks up. But I really had high hopes for it. The color's really interesting. Not that the color should matter, but also brand new. And right here, I'm gonna do an overshot of all of these products together in one clip, just so you can see like how huge these bottles are next to each other. But yeah, absolutely brand new and love them. Can't wait to use them. Foil sheets, I ran out, so this is just a restock. I love these. These fit in my baking pans, baking sheets really well. I also found some new signs as well from the summer collection, and they're really cute. They are like little slices, or just this one actually, because the other ones look like this. These are gonna be cute to use for like the center of a wreath. So if you feel like you kind of need to pick up some type of hobby, or you need to do some crafting of some sort, I don't know, maybe make yourself a wreath, and that would be fun. Okay, next up, you never really see me get these, but I wanted to get them for like gargling and rinse kind of thing. So I want to gargle and rinse with hydrogen peroxide, but you need to dilute it with water. And I definitely get the ones that are labeled for gargling. So I decided that I'm going to need some type of little cup to put in a little bit of hydrogen peroxide and then add the water. So I figured these little paper cups would be really great, and the prints are cute. So I got those, and then, oh, let me show you guys these really adorable flip-flops. So I don't actually have a reason for these flip-flops because they're for little kids, and my niece is too little for flip-flops and my daughter's not a little kid, but they were so cute that I thought I'm picking them up anyway. I'm going to share them with you guys, and then what I'm going to do is just donate them. But I want you guys to know that these are at Dollar Tree because they are so stinking cute. And what? This one's probably my favorite just because it takes me back to my very first doll that I ever had, which was Rainbow Bright. You know, and her horse with the rainbow colors. This just reminds me of that. Super cute. And then we have this set with the ice cream cones. And I love that these are clear with like little glitter detail. I mean, even the bottoms, like so cute. This one is also super adorable. I love the colors. These are also brand new. They did not do any of these prints before, so this is definitely a 2021 collection. And then we have the little pink flamingos. I'm a little out of it today. So we've got that. This one is super cute as well. Just really fun, like doodles. Absolutely love that. So fun. And then the last one is a mermaid one. I mean, the color combinations that Dollar Tree did here really are top notch for $1, if you ask me. So you can see she's like splashing in the water at the bottom. Oh my gosh, the details just impress me and get me every time. And I found this version of Mickey Mouse, which is so cute. And it says the true original. So it has like all of the OG Mickey Mouses on here. Mickey Mouses sounds, I think, more logical to me. But like this one, was that Fantasia or like what was that called? Is another one of these funny faces sticker books. These are so fun. Pick them up for your kids, your nieces, grandchildren, like whatever. They have such a heyday. So the middle sheets are the stickers with like the eyes, the nose, the crazy mouth, and then you get all the sheets with the blank faces. And then you basically, you know, put them on there. And it's a coloring book as well. Then I found some really fun folders. I just thought they were really cute. Wanted to share them with you guys. And they did this little galaxy theme too, so I thought that was really fun. So like this one I feel like is more, you know, for the younger crowd. But some of these other ones right here, like this one was awesome because it has all of the horoscopes on there, which I thought was really cool. Cancer, Gemini. Oh, it really doesn't. Oh wow, it doesn't. I thought it like had all of them, but it has Gemini, Scorpio, Taurus, Cancer, and that's it. That's interesting. So it makes me wonder, is there another folder that has, you know, the other ones? Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aries, Libra, Aquarius. All of those aren't on here. And then we have this one. Definitely gives me Lisa Frank vibes too. All right, next up, tape. It's pretty simple, but I feel like lately I've been grabbing for tape and I haven't been able to find it. So I decided to stock up. I'll put one like in my junk drawer, and then I'll put one upstairs in my craft room. So I've just been needing tape. I also found some new highlighters from Jot. It's my favorite label at Dollar Tree. Love anything that they do. And they came out with pastel highlighters. Like, I can't tell you guys how on trend this is and how amazing this is. And it's a dual tip to top it all off. So you probably get the thinner tip here and then the thicker tip here. Maybe it's a chisel. Oh, the bottom is chisel and the top is bullet. Yeah, so if you're just maybe like diving into the world of planners, or you're really into like studying and taking like really pretty notes, this would be great. And especially if you're into bullet journaling, this would be a must pick up. I would put this on your list. So there's that. I also found a new sticker book. See how pretty it is. And then it shows you all of the sheets you actually get. But these are awesome too for planning. Yeah, I'm getting so excited for my craft room, like you just don't even know. And for a while now, you know, I've stopped doing planner videos for a few years now. I just kind of just didn't feel really inspired, didn't feel the need to like want to do it, but now it's all I think about. Like I just want to get to planning again. So I'm excited. And then the last two things, this is an LED, what are they calling it? An LED color light. What? I've never seen this at Dollar Tree before. The other color that it came in was red, by the way. There's probably more colors, but my store only had purple and red. But you just attach this to your dog's collar and then it's like an LED light. That is so cool. So like, you know, you take them on like walks at night. Oh my gosh, that's absolutely amazing. It's got the power button right here in the center. Oh, and it flashes. Wow. Honestly, like that's really impressive. So, awesome. And then the last thing, which I need to test this. So let's see how this works. But I saw this and my mouth dropped. But it is a phone disco light. What in the world? So, lights up and flashes. Well, this is a fail. This does not actually fit into my phone. So the iPhone 8 Plus, this is a micro USB port. So unfortunately I can't test it, but in case this works on your phone, it just looks like this. And I imagine that as soon as you plug it in, it's gonna start lighting up. So it's really cool. This would be maybe a great item to pick up for a care package or like a, you know, an upcoming birthday gift or something. Yeah, so anyways, still an awesome idea if it works, so there's that. But that's it for today's haul. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you loved all of the new finds. Comment down below as usual and let me know what is on your shopping list that you saw from today's video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Hobby Lobby, huge haul. Anyways, thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you next time.